we're opening
Snap Circuit Skill Builder. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god.
So what is this?
It's basically you like create stuff, like anything you want. And there's and here 31 electronic pieces included.
Okay, and it says create fun sounds. It says that you can create 125 projects.
Oh my god!
Connecting you with hours of building fun.
And I have my pet horse, Pink Star. Hi, girl. I'm part of horse. Okay, I might need a little help. So, mommy, can you find me?
What?
Please?
Me?
Yeah.
I thought you had Pink Star.
What, can you find me, please?
For real?
Yes. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on.
That's so.
Okay, I'm just. Oh my god.
Can we move her?
Yeah.
Love you. See you later.
Okay, let's start opening. Wow, this is so easy to open. I mean, like, wow.
So let's pull this whole thing out.
This is so cool. Look at that.
This is how it comes.
Look at that, man. That is.
And then we got an instruction book, right? Wow,
Oh,
this
God.
is pretty heavy.
Oh god! Oh my god, yes. 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 I think we saw this at the museum. Kids Museum.
Kids Museum, yes. Okay, so
We went to a lot of them.
okay, this project is for ages 8 and up. But Dallas could handle it.
Yeah. This
Well,
my brain is smarter.
Because you already handled it.
Yeah.
So here, why don't you pick out one to make while I take these out, okay?
Maybe project number 72. That's right.
72. So you got one ready?
Project number 72.
What is this?
72. I have no idea.
At the museum, we made a little fan. I remember that.
Yeah, it's super cool.
Oh, we need batteries. Uh-oh. I'm not sure if I have batteries on hand. Actually, maybe we could just, I don't know, what is all those pieces? Well, there's switches and, wow, there's a lot of cool stuff.
So this is the off. Wow, this is just, oh my god, this is really
Okay, that's all of it.
This is seriously advanced. Oh my god, but oh, yes, yay.
Let's start building.
What?
Start building.
Okay. I have no idea. See?
Let me stick these in here.
I think you go like this. Oh god.
That one's a lot. Let's do a fan.
Yeah.
All right, so we changed our mind. We're going to do
18.
number 18.
Number 18.
Okay, so
Just follow it. Okay, I need a 2 just like this.
now look at where it says.
I need another
Here.
2.
Here, wait, hold on.
Looks like this.
Look at the. Look, there's letters here and numbers
Oh.
here.
Put it the wrong way.
Okay, so it's saying 1A,
Right there. Right?
1A. Actually, oh, Dallas. This way, downward. Oh, actually, hold on. That one. That one. And then this one goes on top. And there's a green one that goes here. Press switch. Where's press switch?
Oh, press switch is right here.
Okay, so let's put that one
No, it goes like that.
right here.
It goes like that.
I know, you put that one on top first, but that doesn't go. Okay. Now I need the piece over here.
I need
No, not yet. The lamp.
lamp. What number
It's
is
a
it?
clear one.
L1. L1. It's a lamp.
Okay, stick it right here.
And now let's put the right? Oh, and I put the one here.
Yes. I was like, how do you make that? Okay, so this is what we have so far.
It's turning out pretty good. This is super fun. It's even more fun than I thought.
Okay, so now we need the batteries.
Look. It's a little, we'll play this one.
Where does this go? Yeah, let's look. On E,
E.
E and 4. So here's 4, and here's E. So E4, put the pointer there. Right? Yeah. Actually, it was on 3. Oh yeah, that's right. And then I thought there was a snap there too. Okay. And then there's something green that goes on top of here.
Green. Slide checks.
Mm-hmm.
This.
And then these guys.
And then a 2, and then
There's this one.
a 1.
The 1 goes underneath their dolls. And then there's another 2 that goes this
Where?
way.
Where?
Hold on. There's 2 here.
So we have to take this
And
off.
then there's 2.
Come on. We have to take this off.
No, you put 1 there.
This
See?
is, on top of it. So we put it on top of the 2 or?
Okay, now.
This is a little.
You got it.
Doesn't stay.
Alright, I don't think it's actually supposed to stick on, so we could keep on rebuilding.
It doesn't work.
Let's see. Does the batteries work?
Is it still more to go in?
See, this doesn't make sense. Maybe this one connects to here. There it goes. It is working. Let's try it again.
Wow.
And the light goes on too.
Wow. It's so cool.
So there's a light here. And then this is a fan that's spinning that you probably could hear it buzzing. And that's how it is.
I want to make it miserable.
Let's shut it off again. Oh, that I think is controlling the light. Oh, and it goes faster. See? Listen.
Oh, okay. Let's start.
Paperclip.
No, I want to maybe do this one. This is cool. Maybe like after this really quick. It's super cool.
I think it's just to put on the light. 'Cause that's this
Let's
one.
see how it works.
Okay. It's just to show that there's.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
I want this one.
Okay, and then
Has to
3,
stay. Not you. No.
2.
Two.
No, on this one.
Oh. There we go.
No, this way.
Oh God. There we go. Here we go.
Oh, no, facing a certain way.
Yes.
Okay, and then this one, right here, right? And a 3. And a 5, and a 6.
I need a 1. 3? I said to do 3.
No, there wasn't there always just 3 ones?
Oh, here. Why 3? Look, why 3? Hey, we need 2. Not 3. Where's the 3 going to? Where's... One second.
Oh, there's a yellow one here. Which one is this one? I can't see underneath the speaker.
Oh no, I think it's supposed to be like this.
Wait, the speaker is supposed to be here. No, no,
Not here.
no.
Then why is this like this?
Hold on, there's a piece missing, honey. One of these, I don't know which one. So you can't see. R1, R1. It's over here. Okay, so put that one there. Okay, underneath. Oh, but put 2 underneath. I think. Oh, the speaker goes on top, I think. Or something. Oh, sorry.
You always do something like that before putting the stickers.
Put the 2 on the bottom. And then. Oh, so this one actually plays a little bit better. You could do it at the same time.
Remix. Wait, let's see if we can make this little guy.
All right, Dallas wants to make this little guy. Here he is.
Look how cute that is. He's cute. Oh my god.
All right, so you had fun. What do you think of this?
Hi everyone.
Do you approve?
What's that?
Do you like this thing? Yeah?
Why is it that?
So I think Dallas is going to do a lot of this on her own now, since we already had practice. So you could do this in a little bit. Oh look, he's like lounging over here. Hold on, where was that? Look, he's like flying through the air.
I want to do that one.
Oops, it took off his arm.
Mommy.
Look, he's flying.
Let's see.
Okay.
Hey, no, it's not like this. It's like the other.
I know. Okay, so we really enjoyed this, didn't we?
Woo! Now, if you like this video, give a like and subscribe. Bye. But, I want to keep this guy.
Bye.
Bye. Oopsie. Bye.